Hello and welcome to another video on Field Complete. In this video, we will cover how to add your users to this platform. So you want to navigate to Settings, User Management, and Users. Here you can see the full list of users you already have, grouped by roles. You can also group them by branch or alphabetically if you'd like. And then you can click this button, Create a New User, on the top right corner. To create a user, you'll need to enter their display name as well as their email address. Once you enter the email address, you can also select the roles that he will have. We cover user roles in a different video, how to set those up and what those mean. So for this user, let's give him administrative rights and technician. So this way he has access to both our web portal as well as the mobile app. And then once that's entered, you click create. As soon as you click the, wrong email. I forgot to enter .com. As soon as you click create, it sends out an email with login credentials for this user. You can now fill in the rest of his card, or you can have that user log in and fill in the rest of the information. For this demo purposes, let's enter the rest of the details ourselves. So the first name, last name, email, phone. You might want to enter his cell phone in here and select which notifications you'd like this user to receive, whether it'll be email or SMS. And if you forget what any of these fields mean, we have these tooltips here. You can click on and remind yourself what each field stands for. Then his home address. If this is a technician or somebody who's going to be working in the field, you want to make sure this is an accurate address, because the dispatching screen actually pulls this information in to dispatch jobs to assist you with dispatching jobs more accurately based on where his first job should start in the day. If you want to enter some notes in here, like if this guy has some limitations or anything that you want other dispatchers or other office workers to know about this technician or admin, you can enter them here. You can also edit roles here, add new ones. Some of the other limitations that you can put on a user is basically branches, job types, and zip codes. If you leave these blank, he will have access to all branches, all job types, and all zip codes. If you click and select any of these, so let's say this guy only does electrical jobs and general maintenance, right? So now Bob Builder will only be able to receive jobs, either electrical or general maintenance job types. The rest he won't be able to receive. And you could also always delete these and edit them on the fly. And same thing goes with zip codes, right? If he works only in a certain area, geographical area, you might want to enter a set of zip codes, so this way your other dispatchers or office workers don't give him jobs that he can't go to. Lastly, you might want to upload an image of the dispatcher, of the technician. This is super important for homeowner jobs, because the homeowner will receive an email with a photo of who's coming out to his job site, or the tenant. This way they know who to wait for, and it just creates a more safer environment for everyone. And this is all for how to create a user. If you need to delete him or cut off access or reset his credentials, password, you can always go to the user that you want to do this to. Click the contextual menu on the top right corner here. You can reset his password. This will send him an email basically with new credentials. You can force log out this user. If, let's say, you're terminating an employee, you can log him out and then archive the user. Archiving the user will obviously cut off his access to the platform, and archived users can then be accessed under archived in this setting. This is all for creating users, archiving users, resetting passwords. If you have any more questions around these topics, feel free to reach out to our support via phone, email, or chat. Thank you.